Hey guys, how are you? Kita from KITAFIT YouTube and KITAFIT.com. I am so excited because I have people tell me all the time, oh Kita, that looks so much fun, but that class is too hard. Let me tell you, what I'm about to do in the next 8 weeks are going to be just really nice weekly uploads of very simple workouts that you can do. Y'all know that I'm just getting over a total hip replacement. So I'm starting to do very slow work. I'm going to be doing chair yoga and chair exercises, and I'll be doing stuff on a bike and stuff on the floor, and I'll be integrating some yoga and Pilates and just some really gentle movements that you can do. So if you've always wanted to start a program, but you're too intimidated about going to the gym, or it's just something you're just like, I can't do that, Keita, it's gonna be too hard. Join me so that you can progress with me. We're gonna be going really slow, so just keep watching on my Facebook. I'll have it on Facebook. You guys can get all my handles below. I'm gonna be on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn. What else am I doing? I have a blog. I mean, it's if you look down below on my way to connect with me, you can connect KITAFIT on Facebook. And I'm just gonna be putting these videos that you can do in the privacy of your own home. They're free, they're totally free. So anybody can do this work, okay? Today we're just gonna be doing some really light cardio, and I'm just gonna be doing some really easy stuff that you can do on land. We're gonna be doing some plank work and some just really light weights. I have to go really slow, and I have to do my movements very conservatively. So if it's something that you've always wanted to do, join me and join my community, and just leave comments below. Let me know what your specific goals are, and I'll shout you out every time I do a filming of one of these. And I just dedicate this to the mom or the dad out there that's always wanted to get started on a program, but programs are too hard. They either start way up here or it's too expensive. This is free. Anybody can do this. So I'm gonna go very slowly like a little turtle, and hopefully you guys can join me too. All right, here is to being little turtles together. Woohoo for the turtles. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Remember to stand in your light, stand in your truth, and above all else, you got it. You know what it is. Be a warrior. I love you guys. Bye.